Good morning, guys. Follow me for a day in my life. I have 2 parties to go to, so I thought it was exciting enough to do a vlog. So let's just get into it. It's so sweet for you, sweet. Guys, I think I'm getting better at not being so awkward and shy on these tours. You know, Auntie Duchess here. Okay. The Birdum is out. Hi, Birdum. Hi. Oh, he wants to go on my shoulder. And I'm about to go and feed him, and we're going to get our day started. I'm so excited for today because I have so much different fits. Because I'm changing, because I'm going to the beach first, and then going to a garden party, so not the same aesthetic at all. So I'm really excited to just for today because it's gonna be hectic. And also I'm picking out my friend, and she's going with me for my first party, and then we're going to our friend's party afterwards. Hi guys, so I just finished getting ready for the first party, which is a beach party, and the fit is fitting, and I'm so excited. But I'm about to go and film and get ready with me, and then hopefully I go and pick up my friend and we have a safe journey there. Catch you guys later. You got the key? Okay guys, so we're actually about to leave and pick up my friends. Guys, we made it. I have the whole gang here. And this hat is not probably going to stay on, so I should probably put it up. So this is the... Actually, no, I'm doing it for style, guys. Yeah, and I'm gold. Sunny? Huh? Sunny? Like a gold artist. I think I've seen this before. Oh, it normally has like the logo.
What's this? Dice. Yeah.
I thought.
Yeah. Oh, okay, already dice.
It's Nikki's birthday. I'm on a vlog.
Oh, you doing a vlog? What foolishness, man?
I thought we doing a vlog.
I thought it was a photo.
Oh.
Hey, I was on the camera show you there.
Whole gang together, guys.
Yeah. See my little gang sleeves.
Yeah.
She might look sweet, yeah.
The sauce is really good. Oh. I got a 6 again. Lights.
This.
No, it's not. I got a 4.
Wait, Hadia.
It's real water.
Nah, you got a point, yeah.
That is sad.
Sad already.
There's a time. I know where your dad is over there looking like, oh god, the normal
He's
thing.
laughing at me.
You want me too?
Because I thought he was talking about Mary.
What is this?
I ain't never seen something hilarious like so done.
Haley just gave out on the over here. Haley just like, oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
And this, you know what? This is a perfect time to run your water. What this is?
Good fish. Oh, not my umbrella, Joy, they know. We got it.
Wait, don't near me. I love it now.
Guys.
The other side, like the umbrella itself.
We save the umbrella.
Hold it
Yeah.
Hold it down.
To air power, to air.
Yes, guys.
To air power. Okay, guys, we're making it work. Apparently, your nickname is Jolly? How jolly are you?
How do you give me that name?
My bookie gave me that name. Okay, yeah, so guys, they're just settling here. We have one umbrella over there, this umbrella, and then the twins are back here. So we're over here, like, surviving. I got front row seats, like, guys, we don't embrace this. We can't hear it, we're just a memory. That's so true.
The wind hums songs at the break of day.
The referee gonna come in there and say, separate up, man, separate up. Take it off the field.
You think you're the best at that horse? I am the best at that horse. We gonna test our rhythm.
Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of the sling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Oh wait, no, that's not my thing.
Just like that, it makes sense. And just like that,
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature.
Guys, we're holding the water. That's crazy. This is the water. Okay. Vasha has entered the villa.
The new bombshell has entered the villa.
Oh my gosh, this one is doing such justice to my face. Oh my gosh. I know, right?
I never know this bitch before, so shoes, but I'm gonna take them. Every single one.
They're over there just like, where'd you tell the whole story? I'll let over there say
Neon
though.
hums like a subtle frill.
Yes.
Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathing
The beach is beaching, guys.
the
We're
waves
enjoying the day.
decide. Streetlights flicker, a Morse code plea. Whispers rise from
on to the next party. So yeah. Oh, she also gave us like these little treats to take with us, which I'm really excited about. Very cutesy, very cutesy. AJ got 1 too. Well, 3. Anyways guys, I'm changed and ready, a different aesthetic from my cousin's party. So we're excited and we're on our way and we're gonna have a ball. Day 1 is pumped and we're ready to go. Hi guys, so you probably can't see me that well, but I just finished a party and we're currently being led out by another parent, which is so generously letting us follow them out because this is such a grassy area that we actually do not know our way around at night as normal places do. But yeah, just saying, we had a blast. It was so much fun. I didn't film that much because it wasn't the same vibe as like the beach. It was more like just living the moment. Well, as at the beach was like my friends, and they like to just, they're like me, they're photogenic. We just love pictures and gaming and like just recording it. So just 2 different aesthetics, and I enjoyed both of them so much. I could perfectly say that this day was filled with fun, excitement, and just loving the company that I was in. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. I'm back home and I'm about to go to bed. I was just like packing up my stuff, so I totally kind of like a little bit forgot about you guys, but we're back on track. So I'm just editing off this vlog. So if you know, you know, MC Dutcher. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that I couldn't film as much in the last party, but I hope the content that I did in the first one suffice. So anyways guys, bye. Hi fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know, you know, MC Duchess. I hope you have a blessed day and night.